Motor's coming out.
Motor is indeed coming out. Huh?
Huh?
I got the heat shield. Yeah, made it.
Hey, yo. You guys have seen that little intro. Yeah, nothing much else need to be said. The funniest way to pull out a VQ37 is, yeah, not your normal repair and modifying videos, but yeah, I thought it was pretty funny, and yeah, watch to the end and it keeps getting funnier. And yeah, if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, all that stuff. And yeah, that is the end of the 370, I would say. And yeah, without further ado, jump straight into the video.
No, it's like this back bit.
Alright, motor's coming out.
Oh, the motor is indeed coming out.
The motor is indeed coming out.
The motor is indeed coming out. I don't know how the fuck we're rolling it, but come here.
Wait. I think that's getting crushed. Look at the transmission. Oh, your transmission is spewing out oil.
It's like on the...
from the back. I forgot to drain it, but it's alright. I think I need to get the
It looks like it's calling on
car on that.
Oh no, the engine's moving separately now. Oh, there you go. That looks good.
Wait, stop. That did nothing.
Yank on it, bro.
Hold on. This needs...
Oh, I got the heat shield. Yeah, we didn't tighten it, did we?
Bro, what? They're still on there.
Wait, I'm gonna take a video when we're like pulling the engine out and just come up and start wiggling the bone. Oh. Alright, there we go.
Huh?
Fuck, the screen turned off.
Huh?
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 I got the heat shield. Let's just all just get just get in a scrum bro and just hustle it. No, we've hooked up the crane to the car, to the beautiful 3.5 powered V6, and we're about to drive forward, and if everything goes correct, the engine will come forward with it.
And the chassis will as well.
And we're hoping to see a little bit of a burnout as well, you know what I mean? I've heard the crowd's looking for a burnout. No, I don't think I'd do the boot. I'd probably just do, yeah, I wouldn't do the boot. I'll just do it right here. G, take it away. Yeah, made it. Yeah, she's not budging. Hold on. Wait, try. No, wait, keep going. Did you just lock third? Look at your car!
Fuck.
Oh, that's the sickest video ever.
Hey, yo.
What is that? Is that 6 or something, bro?
I was trying to get in fourth. I was like, nah.
Bro, I thought you were trying to pull it out, not doing a burnout.
Oh, I thought it worked.
Alright. Now it's got a hole in there. Get this on YouTube.
Get this on the YouTube.
Get this on the YouTube.
She is officially out.
Yep. Just don't know how to move it.
Yeah. It'll probably be here for the next couple of years.
It'll be half sunken into the ground.
Until there's a hard enough wind to blow the crane away.
What were you trying to do? Send us to the moon or something? Look at how high we are. Yo.
Yeah, but now we can pull the thing back.
The motor is out, bro. We had some burnout marks down here from Matt, bro, shredding it up on the dirt. Hey. Yeah.
Yeah. No, no.
Wait, what?
The shit's tipping, bro. It's clear, but fuck. Shit was tipping.
So she's leaking. She's leaking.
Now I can lower it a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, that's not caught under there, is it? Oh wait, hang on.
What?
It's caught on the front. The linger. Oh, word I'm about to lift this up, bro.
Oh.
No, I'm about to lift this, bro. Hang on. Surely I can lift this?
No, go on. It's fucking.
Go.
Holy fuck.
Wait, get a video of me hitting the deadlift by myself.
Let's go, let's go. Don't put your back out.
No, mate.
You literally moved it.
What was the grip you had, Matt? Was it this? Yeah. I mean, bro, that proper hurts, bro. No, Matt, you hit a deadlift, bro. Hit a deadlift. Hit a deadlift. Hit a deadlift.
Fucking hell.
That was easy when we were both doing it.
No, I can't fucking.
Well, we actually just lifted up, don't we? Like,
Holy
fuck that. Maybe this way might be the strap.
Fucking hurts.
Ow, yeah. Oh well.
Well, she's out.
Let's take this VQ for a walk.
Yeah, just keep going, bro.
Alright guys, so this is the remainder of the 370. Yeah, all the manual stuff, the engine, transmission. So I guess that's the end of the 370. Alright, so I've just taken the transmission off and the clutch. The clutch is looking brand new, eh? Looks like almost had probably barely breaking in. It probably had 2,000 kilometers in it. I'm trying to put the put a 37 on the little engine stand.